So help me spill this already spilled juice. Ha! This is a great one. Now, our favorite couple, the wife, Lizzle Mthombeni, posted. So last night I asked my beautiful and gorgeous husband of almost 3 years, Musa Wenkosi Mthokozisi Mthombeni, aka Big Daddy, aka the Val 6 years man, aka two-piece daddy, etc., to be my Valentine. Guys, ngithi labo aka what, I'm still struggling to say ukuthi who is my aka what, my man. I don't know. I know we need to copper. I need to copperize here so that my man has an aka something. Nami ngibonakala ngathi ngumuntu serious. But we are not there. We are not there. We are on this love story. So she continues to say, I made a whole hooray and booked a romantic dinner for two at a Redison, yeah, at Rosebank, right? Ha! Girl booked, meaning girl searched herself, searched her pocket, and reserved. When it is very difficult for you to search your pocket and reserve, but asikho asqhubek. And she continued to say, he tried to play hard to get and gave me the run around. But after promising to buy him 4 brand new tires, I don't want to go far. I can't even buy one. I don't have a spare wheel as you speak. But she's buying him 4 brand new tires and a V8 engine. He jumped into my arms and screamed, ah, yebo, baby. Okay, sengifake spice. Akashongo kanjalo. Go read the whole thing on Lizzle's Instagram page. Ladies, if you want to show your man you love him, do the right thing and book your own table for two on Valentine's Day and sell him a dream. Guys, the post is a bit long. You can go read it for yourself. But the reason why I'm sharing this is I'm here to ask you, now what are you doing for your potential King Bay or whoever you might call him this Valentine's Day? Mina personally, I'm spilling the juice on Valentine's Day. Nothing more, nothing less.